Ma'am,
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
I
ma'am.
have a question.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, for first May there is vacation or from second May?
1st May.
Okay,
Tomorrow is your last working day.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow is the last class. From 1st May is your summer break till 6th June. And your school will reopen on 7th June. And you will get your holiday homework by tomorrow in your classroom. Okay, and you need to learn the tables till up to 20. And when the school will reopen, I will ask the tables also from you all. So in the vacation, you need to learn the tables till 20. This is also your homework, to learn the tables till 20. Ayush, today you can see me and hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, I'm asking from you.
Yes, ma'am. Today I can see you. Perfect.
Okay.
And ma'am, I've sent you the mail today of the
Why
recording.
why you have not sent yesterday? I was waiting for the mail yesterday only. Because I was thinking,
Ma'am,
as you have a
I
CET
forgot.
today, how you will prepare. You are clear today, everyone knows that today is your CET. It was
Yes,
already
ma'am.
posted in the class.
Ma'am, I know. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know.
Let everyone
Yes,
join.
yes, yes, ma'am. I know.
Very good. Mute yourself, please. We will wait 1 minute more and then we'll start the class. And
And ma'am,
your your voice
CET
is
is
breaking.
anything connected to what tomorrow?
No, not much. What we have already
Hello, ma'am.
discussed in the
Now can
past
you hear
class.
me?
Yes, yes. See, it is much related what we have done in the last
Hello, ma'am.
past topics.
Yes. Now,
Ma'am,
Yes, Trisha.
what is
it
this
is
called?
not related to what we do tomorrow. Clock we made.
Let me pin you. Show me. This also used for circles and all, no?
Yeah, but there is a degree signs also.
I'll let you know what it is, right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I think so it is for clock.
No, no. So, children, today, before starting the CET, I want to show you one thing which I'm going to post you in the classroom for you as your today's assignment. It's a master circle. Yes, Anushka is writing. It's a master circle. First, drawing the circles. See, I'm going to show you something on my screen, which will be your today's homework, and you will really enjoy it. It's an activity-based work. Can you all see my screen?
Yes,
My
ma'am.
dear, when I
Yes,
present the
ma'am.
screen, I'll not able.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Now see, listen first. Mute your mics, everyone. When I present the screen, I will not able to see you. So you need to give me the answers when I ask. Okay? Don't show me thumbs up that time because I'll not able to see you what you are doing. So now this is the game. So in this, what you need to
I
measure
can't
the.
see the screen.
Please pin on my presentation screen, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. I went on the presentation screen,
Ayush,
but
this
I
you are facing from
can't
last
see you.
3 to 4 days.
Now
Now
I
you
can
can
see it.
see.
Now I can see it.
Okay. So you can see there is one triangle here and one protector here. Now you need to measure how many angles are there in this shape. Who will tell me how many angles are there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Three.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
three.
there are three angles.
Three
Ma'am,
angles.
three
Yeah,
angles.
because there are three corners, so you can see the three angles.
And it is a close. Means, ma'am, I had a doubt.
Let me explain this first, there, then come to your doubt. Now you need to measure these three angles, how much each degree angle this is. If we start with angle A, See, take from your right in your laptop, take from the left hand side and drag this protractor. Okay. And bring it at to the point A. Then you have a anti-clockwise and then you need to turn it. Press karte jaoge, turn karte jaoge till that your baseline should come on the 0. Now your baseline is on 0. So can you see the other line is showing how much degree?
120
Ma'am, it is
degree.
60
No,
degree.
it is, see, always
Ma'am,
see from the
60.
0.
60 degree.
60 degree. Tanisha,
60
please
degree.
always, yes, 60 degree. So when there is a given here, A angle is how much? You need to type here 60 degree. Then take, hold this from your left side cursor, bring it down on the B point. Again, now see where your next is going. So now see, check, B point is showing how much degree, because your 0, this is your baseline.
120.
60.
No, again you children are
60 degree.
confused.
60, ma'am.
60 degree.
60.
Yes.
60 degree. 60 degree.
Now, please don't shout. Let the others to understand. 0 is here on the baseline, and from 0, the numbers you need to see the inner numbers. It's 60 degree. So you come here on the B point, and you need to write it's a 60 degree angle. Again, you need to drag it on the point C. With the clockwise, you need to little turn it. Then take it on the C. Again, you need to turn it. Bring it down. Turn it clockwise. Because you need to keep it here on the C. Can you all see me what I am doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Bring
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
bring the baseline on 0. Right? Now from 0,
60 degree.
60
go
degree.
this way. So you need to
60
type
degree.
it. Type it here 60 degree. Got it, everyone? Then you go to the check now. It's showing right. Fantastic. You have done good. Go to the next. They will give you next shape. Same way you measure now in this figure. How many angles you will see?
4.
4. Measure the 4 angles right there, degree. Same way, there are many more shapes are given in this. You need to solve it. And at the last, you need to submit it. Whatever they will give you the instruction, you need to do it. Mute yourself, Arna. And once you complete this, last page will come. Then you click the picture or take a screenshot and send it to me in the classroom where I am going to post this link. Right? जहां पे मैंने इस गेम की लिंक पोस्ट करी है, there you need to take the screenshot of your last link that you have completed the task, and you need to attach that thing here. Right? Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to post it.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen, everyone, the common instruction for everyone. Then again, each and every child will not ask the same thing. Where you get the homework, there only you will get in the classroom. You will get the link of this QR code. This is your NCERT link, game link, which is based on the angles. There you will get the link, open the link, solve it. When you complete it, please turn on your cameras, everyone. I'm not talking to your symbols. Vivan, Ekansh, Anushka, Anya Mittal, Khush Ahuja. You all think that you always sit behind the screen. Ridhan, Ekansh, Karnav, please turn on your camera and sit.
But ma'am, nothing.
There you will get the link. You will, once you complete the task, you take the screenshot of that task that you have completed the task, last screen, not the all the screens. Last screens, once you complete, you take the screenshot and attach your work in the activity where you get it.
Ma'am,
Yes, Terry.
ma'am, so how we will know that it is the last page?
After that, it will not come next.
Okay. So ma'am, my doubt was that we can find if the angle is close, still we can find the angle.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now see here. I want to, yes.
Ma'am, could you give the instructions again? I couldn't hear you.
My dear, it was completely explained now because you need to do the CT also. Now
Could
I'm
you just
going to, you send me the mail. Got it, Migdal?
okay,
Got
ma'am.
it? Yeah. Now I'm going to give you some knowledge about the reflex angle, how the reflex angle looks like and how much the degree the reflex angles. Children, as I told you, in my last class, reflex angles are more than 360 degree. Reflex angles are more than 360 degree.
360 degrees.
So if I draw an angle which is, for example, 60 degree. So you know that outside this also the figures make the angle. So this is your reflex angle. If the total circle is 360 degree, if the total circle is, please once first you understand, then you ask your doubts. First, let everyone understand about the reflex angle. This complete circle, as I told you, the complete angle is the 360 degree. But you know about this much angle is 60 degree. So how you will find out? These are the reflex angle. 360 degree is the total. When you subtract the 60 degree, which is already given to you, so this is 300 is your reflex angle. 300 degree. Okay, got it? How to find the reflex angles?
Yeah, ma'am.
If I draw an angle of, suppose I tell you this is 75 degree. So what is the measurement of reflex angle which is this side making? What is the measurement of reflex angle? How you will find out? 360 minus 75. Find out what is the answer.
285. 285.
10 minus 5 is 5.
285.
Minus
285 degrees.
285 degree is your reflex angle. Got it? Yes or no? Okay, if I tell you draw a reflex angle of, how you will draw?
No, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Please
Ma'am, I
ask.
also have a doubt.
My doubt is, my doubt is that the reflex angle is the left over 360 degree.
Yes.
Like
Mute your mic,
the
Dhyan.
angle. So the reflex angle is the left over.
Yes,
So,
remaining.
ma'am, I want to know what if it is more. Ma'am, so my doubt is that if that is the reflex angle, then what is more than 180 degree?
More than 180 degree is the reflex angle only. More than 180, less than 360.
Yes, ma'am. So
More than,
the leftover is also.
always, see, total is 360 degree.
Degree angle like this.
See, if it is more than 180 degree, whether it is 190 degree, whether it is 200 degree, whether it is 210 degree, whether it is 235 degree, all the angles which is greater than 180 degree are the reflex angles.
Ma'am.
Got it, Ayush?
Excuse me, Renu,
Yes, Anushka.
Yes, so you told that the leftover is the reflex angle.
Leftover means you need to, what is
Telling
given?
me the leftover is the reflex angle, not that.
My dear, what if it is given 90 degrees given? Okay. 90 degrees angle given. So the angle which is outside here, पूरे circle में बना रहा है. How you will find out? This is 90 degree. 360 degree minus 90 degree, the leftover angle will be a reflex angle. Got it? Got it? One by one I will solve. No,
270
Anushka.
degree.
But
270
ma'am,
degree.
can you make, ma'am, can you make this same 90 degrees upside down?
Which angle?
Ma'am, can you make this same angle upside down?
Why?
90 degree
Why
angle.
you not able to see my board?
Ma'am, that what that angle called?
This is the 90
What
degree.
is that upside down angle?
Which is upside down, my dear? Which is upside down? This is
And the line which is up can be lined with a down.
no. Yeah, you can draw it in this way also.
So what is? Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir. Now you
Yeah,
try
but
to
that
solve
will
it
be
there
90
now.
degree only. That won't be called
Ma'am?
reflection.
Yes, there.
Ma'am, my doubt was that
Oh.
if there is any angle that is more than 360 degree.
No.
And ma'am, when we make the degree and it is by chance of 90 degree and we find the 360 degree,
Hmm.
so we have to subtract 90 minus 360 degree.
Hmm.
So which degree we get, that degree will be the whole angle.
That degree will be the reflex angle, the remaining angle.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anushka. Wait.
Ma'am.
Anya, wait. Anushka, yes.
Ma'am, the questions come that how many angles are there. So, ma'am, we have to come the reflex angle and the complete angle also, no?
No, if it is how many angles means? Yeah. Then there are total, if there are how many types of, so you have learned acute, obtuse, you have learned straight, right? You have learned reflex
Right
angle and the complete angle.
can I submit the CT now?
You have done, Aryaman?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Did I instructed to do the CET? Wait now. You are not going to submit the CET to me right now. Children, CET I already posted in the classroom, but no one is going to open before my instructions.
Ma'am, I can see another.
Wait, Anya. So, Anushka, you got how many different types of angles we have? Okay, yes, Anya.
Ma'am, I don't understand that properly. If their size is 4, like here, here, and here, so how we can do it? I don't understand.
See, whatever if I tell you find the reflex angle from the given angle. If the given angle is given like this. You are asking about this only, right? Reflex angle only, Anya, right? Anya, am I
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yeah, if the angle is given that this is 130 degree angle and find the reflex angle from this. So how you will find the reflex angle? The reflex angle will be your remaining angle. How you will find out 360 degree minus 130 degree? You will find the measurement of the reflex angle, 230 degree. Got it? अगर अब now draw करने के लिए आता है कि how to draw the reflex angle. Suppose if I tell you draw the reflex angle of 275 degree. So 275 degree ka reflex angle, how you will draw? So take the 360 degree as the complete angle, subtract the 275 from the given angle, which is your reflex angle. 10 minus 5 is 5. 16 minus 7 is what? Sorry, 15 minus 7 is 8. So it is 85 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. But if the angle is full, like 4 corners in that, if there is 1, 2, 3, 4, so how we do it?
This is the figure, right? 4 corners are there. So
And
if there are straight line corners are there, these are always L-shaped angles. There are 90 degree angles.
Yes.
When you add them, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 gives you the 360. कोई भी फिगर हो, अगर ट्रायंगल है, अगर आपका ये 60 है तो ये 60, अगर ये 60 तो always see this 60 plus 60 gives you 180 degree because there are 3 corners here. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So how to draw the reflex angle? From 360 minus 275 you will get 85. अगर आप 85 degree का angle draw कर देते हो and you mark it like that, this will be your reflex angle. Always point them A, B, C, mark them arrow. Got it?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
to draw. Okay, so the link is already posted in your classroom. Please open the link, start doing the CET, and when I instruct you to submit, that time only you will
Then send
submit.
in chat box.
No, already in the classroom. I'm not going to send the link in the chat box. You need to log in from the classroom.
Ma'am, it is not there.
It is there. Go in the classroom. Refresh your classroom.
It is there, right?
Yes, it is there in the CET link. Go to there. Refresh your classroom. You will get. Everyone got the link?
Ma'am, I handed out that whatever we find the angle that we have to send you.
I will send you what the angles you will draw that you need to draw in the notebook, which is not given in the Google form.
Ma'am, I got the link.
Okay, ma'am. So we have to send in that CET which
Yes.
you made a assignment.
Yes.
So in the class you will show angles and that we have to do and send you in the assignment of CET.
Yes. Which I'm going to instruct to everyone. Wait. Now, I'm go after completing the Aryaman, if you have completed your CET, open your notebook. I'm going to write some degree angles here. You need to draw with your protractor, proper scale, proper pencil. Draw it in your notebook. And that everyone has to do in their notebook and attach the work along with the CET. Because in Google form, I cannot give you how to draw the angles. That you need to draw in your notebooks.
Ma'am, can we write rough work in the notebook?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to draw these angles.
What is written here on the board?
Okay.
Draw these angles in the notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are there. You need to draw properly with the proper protractor. Protractor is also called D because it is in a D shape, which I already discussed in my last class. Draw this in the notebook. Attach your work along with the Google form. Please turn on your cameras, everyone. And hardly there's something.
In name we have to write full name or only Samriddhi?
Samrit, you giving the CET first time?
No, ma'am.
Then only I will give the answer if you are giving the CET first time. Otherwise, I'll not give the answer of this question. Yes.
ma'am, in the CET, seventh question, only one hand or both?
One hand would be. In all the hands, if you see how much degree angle they are making. Either you can take both.
Right?
Either both, either one. You see the fingers is making which angle. Just this you need to observe. Either you can take both also, you can take one also, give you the same answer. Got it, Migdad? And please, once you submit, don't forget to turn in the assignment. You need to turn it or mark it as done. Is there any child who facing the problem to turn in to open the maths this Google form?
No, ma'am.
Can we submit?
Yes, submit and then start doing
Ma'am?
the notebook work. Submit your Google form if you complete and then start doing the notebook work.
Ma'am, what notebook work?
Something is written on the board, Migdal.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt about
Ask,
this
please.
CT.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in the 12th question, my answer is right.
Let me read the question first. You submitted?
Yeah, ma'am.
Let me read the question. What is this given? Which question you are saying? 12th one?
Yes, ma'am. My answer is correct, but it's saying that this is not correct.
A right angle measure less than 90 degree, exactly 90 degree, more than 90 degree. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I submit?
Yeah, wait, I need to change this.
Renu ma'am.
Yeah, in 12th one, I have done the corrections. So please resubmit your question.
Ma'am,
Wait, 12th one, my dear, I'm
Ma'am.
discussing, no? It is by mistaken taking I have already changed, so you can resubmit it now.
Ma'am, how to resubmit?
Yes. Resubmit it if the 12th one is, please do again those who have submitted, and if you have a doubt in the 12th one, do it again. You can do the changes in that one if you open the Google form. Are you able to open it?
no, ma'am. It's showing you already responded.
No, I
So you
already
will have
done.
to
Refresh your Google form. Are you able to refresh it? No?
No, ma'am. I refreshed it, but it is showing
Okay.
you have already responded. You
Wait
will have
a
to
minute.
check it, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, ma'am, the score is changed now.
Change, no? Can you see the changes now?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I can see now. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, can you check the sixth one?
Which one?
Sixth.
Wait, let me check. You were asking about the 6th one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also have a doubt in 6th one.
Yes, my dear, 6th one is also, I'm going to change it.
Yeah, ma'am, the 6th one is also wrong.
What happened?
I don't know what happened in this Google form. So I changed the 6th one also. So you submit it, my dear. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there is a problem on question 12.
I changed. So you do again.
Ma'am, I got 15 upon 15.
6th and 12 is the problem. So I changed. So please do it again.
Yeah, ma'am, the score is changed. E. Yes, ma'am. I had a problem in 6, and as soon as I opened it again, view score, it showed that 15 out of 15. The problem solved.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have submitted the Google form. You said we have to draw some angles and send it to with the Google
Ma'am, I
form.
have done this.
Very good.
Ma'am, what is it? DNC degree, DNC degree
What?
answer.
Which question number you are asking, Guna? Ask.
Board and DNC.
Tell me the question number properly.
D and
D and C.
ma'am, on your board, D and
Okay. On my board. Nah, yeah. A is 60 degree, B is 75 degree, C is 135 degree, D is 120 degree, E is 260 degree. Those who have already completed the Google form, they please start drawing these angles in their notebook. 260 degree, you should know how you will draw. I'll tell you how to draw the 260 degree angle. 360 degree minus 260 degree, you will get 100 degree. Now you will draw the 100 degree angle. Got it, children? How to draw the 260 degree angle? 360 degree minus 260 degree, you will get 100 degree. So you will draw 100 degree angle. You will not able to draw 260 degree angle. Because when you draw 100 degree angle, the remaining this angle will be a 260 degree. Once you submit the Google form, start doing this. Those who are doing this, please show me their notebooks.
Ma'am, when we have to draw all these angles.
This is explained in the beginning only. What you need to do with this.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Arna, Rudra Jajadia, Rudra Master, if you want to check your marks, Migdat, you please check your marks. Because after editing, you need to submit it again. If any, please check if you have done the correction in that questions. Yes or no? 12 number and 6 number.
Ma'am, I've done the correction.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I also done.
Nishika also. Nishika, if you are facing the difficulty in question number 6 and 12, you can do it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
How many is there?
का नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, एक बार लिंक बंद कराओगे?
How can we draw 260?
मैम लिंक ऑलरेडी क्लासरूम में पोस्टेड है.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
बच्चे क्लासरूम से ही जाना है विवान को. विवान, प्लीज ओपन द क्लासरूम लिंक.
Ma'am, how can we draw 260-degree angle?
Just now I explained, no, 360 degree minus 260 degree, you will get 100 degree. So you will draw 100 degree angle. Yes.
So how we will draw the 260 degree? We will make a 100 degree angle, right?
Look here on my board. 360 degree minus 260 degree, you will get 100 degree. So when you draw 100 degree angle, you will automatically get the remaining 260 degree angle. जब आप यहाँ से इसको देखोगे तो ये पॉइंट आपको 260 डिग्री एंगल दिखाएगा. My board is visible to you where I am pointing?
Yeah, ma'am. Means we have to draw a straight line, then measure it and do 100 degree, not 260 degree, right?
Oh, yes.
Ma'am, do you want to send
ma'am.
an assignment of QR code activity? I didn't get which.
Just now I explained, no, QR code activity, how to do it, Ariman.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
That is that activity.
Ma'am, in the free time you have to submit on that. What do you need that?
Megdad, I will not listen. Sorry. Wait for your turn. Lakshya, wait for
Ma'am,
your
we
turn.
have to show the drawing here or we have to attach it?
Attach it.
Okay.
Yes, Ariman, this is the QR code activity which you will do after the class. And once you once you do all the questions of QR code activity, last page when it will show, no, your activity is completed. उस पेज का फोटो क्लिक करके अटैच करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, in the free time we can do the QR.
Yeah, after the class only you will do. It's a QR activity. Okay. Yes, Megdad.
Ma'am, question
What?
D1.
D1 is 260. D is 120 degree. Oh, children, please note down these degrees so that you can complete it. Draw the angles, attach your work in the classroom. Now the class is over. And tomorrow, for tomorrow's class, for tomorrow's class, mute your mic, Darya, mute your mic. For tomorrow's class, please read the chapter number 3 and come in the class so that you get the idea what are we going to do in the next class. Please read the chapter number 3 and come.
Ma'am, I take screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.